Okay, I think this will be the last one for this round. I'd like to show you at least one equation that's not a straight line or even a polynomial, and that is a circle. So let's put a circle on here, and I'd like to first of all keep it simple by centering it at the origin and come out to some distance and put your second point. Notice what the equation of the circle centered at the origin looks like. Your x squared plus y squared equals some number. And think about this. If you've been doing these lessons over the summer, we did a lesson on the Pythagorean theorem, and this looks an awful lot like the Pythagorean theorem. And you say, what does a circle have to do with a right triangle? Well, let's just look at that for a second. Let's put up a segment. In other words, we'll choose under lines, choose the line segment between 2 points. And notice if you take the distance from the origin out to the circle, it doesn't matter where on the circle you are, the distance stays the same, doesn't it? Okay. If I were to draw a perpendicular line from here down to the x-axis, let's do that. Or here's the perpendicular tool, and it says choose the point and then the line you want to go perpendicular to. So I choose that point and this line, and there it is perpendicular. Okay, and so then if I take the little line segment tool from here over to here, and then from here up to here, it looks like we have a triangle, doesn't it? So now, as I go around, in fact I can now eliminate this. If I select this one and click the little circle in front of it, I can get that out of the way so it's not cluttering up the scenery there. Okay. Notice that here is the x component of point C. If I look at C right now, it says 1.36, 2.1. What's this length right here? If I click on it, it shows you it's this. It's 1.36. That's the same as the x component there. What about this one? 2.1. That's the same as the y component on the C. And so you can see that the Pythagorean theorem would tell you that this squared plus this squared should equal this squared. Okay? And in fact, that's true for all the points on the circle. So all that remains here is play with it and see if you can articulate this. I've given you most of the hints here, but see if you can see the relation between the Pythagorean theorem and the equation that's going to plot out to be the circle. And so the goal is that you should be able to explain this just like you're the teacher and say, why would this equation give you a circle? And from the equation, can you say how big a circle it's going to be? Okay? I'm going to leave it at that. So have fun with these explorations.